Dumpster rental service in Tulsa, Oklahoma. Helping Cans LLC offers reliable dumpster rental services in Tulsa, Oklahoma, tailored to meet the waste disposal needs of both residential and commercial projects. Offering convenient and flexible rental options, this company ensures that homeowners, contractors, and businesses can easily manage waste disposal for projects of any scale. Whether you are working on a home renovation, commercial construction, or a large cleanup, Helping Cans LLC offers various dumpster sizes to meet your needs. With their user-friendly rental process, you can choose a dumpster size that fits your project, and their team will promptly deliver it to your location. Helping Cans LLC also provides transparent pricing with no hidden fees, making it easy to budget for waste removal. They prioritize environmentally responsible disposal, ensuring that recyclable materials are handled appropriately to reduce environmental impact. For efficient, affordable, and professional dumpster rental service in Tulsa, Oklahoma, reach out to Helping Cans LLC. Whether your project is small or large, their team will ensure smooth and hassle-free waste management. You can call them at 918-216-0151 for more information or to book your next dumpster rental.